Hello everyone, my name is Ugochukwu. I'm a digital designer. I make illustrations and motion design. So today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate the design you saw earlier. So yeah, let's just get to it. On the jump, you'd want to select your ellipse tool. Then you'd, while holding Shift and Alt, you drag out. Then boom, we have our first shape. Then next thing we want to do is to copy this in 3 places. So there are 2 ways to go about this. You can either use the Ctrl C then Ctrl Shift V. That's to copy and paste in place. But this 26. So we just hold. So the faster way to do this is to hold Alt. So on the jump here, you press Alt, then you drag. Then boom, we have our copy. You do the same thing here again. We have a copy again. So what we need to do now is to scale this down. Holding Shift and Alt again. Hold on the edge, and you scale down. You do the same here as well. Scale down as well. So we want to change the color to. We're trying to get this fire effect, fire gradient kind of effect. So the next color we want to pick is orange. This is red. So the next one we're going to pick is orange. Then the last one is going to be yellow to achieve this effect. So yeah, we pretty much we just need to just separate this. So we're almost done with this. So to blend these 3 objects together to get that effect, we can go. There are 2 ways to go about it. You can either use a keyboard shortcut or we go to the long or the normal process, quote unquote. So yeah, let me just show you how to do it with the long process. So you select all 3 objects, then you come here to objects, and you move down to blend, and you hit make. Then boom, we have our effect done. We can come here to the blend group and select any of the shapes here. You can play with it, you can scale up as well using Shift and Alt like this. That's like the long way to go about it. But if you want to use a keyboard shortcut while selecting everything, we hold Alt, Control, and D. Boom. That's way easier for me. I would going through this and nah. So there you have it. You have effect ready. So we can do this. We can scale up, scale down. Play around with it, and just have fun. You can move it as well. So let's just make something like this. Okay, 7. Then all right, let's write easy, just like we have in the beginning of the video. So yeah, boom. This, I don't know, this can be, you can choose whatever design you want to use. I'm just showing you this effect basically. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you learned something from this. You can also always change the color as well. If you're not cool with this color, you can go with whatever color you like as well. So this is just a very quick, easy way to create a very cool effect in Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.